Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm bringing you a satisfying lawn and yard cleanup video. We're tackling an overgrown yard at an abandoned house that the owner only visits occasionally to pick up a few things. The neighbors have noticed it's become messy and unsightly, so I'm here to bring it back to life today. Let's dive in and get started. We're starting at the entrance, working our way in to give this place a fresh, clean look. First, I'll use an edging tool to define the borders along the walkway. A clean edge helps create a polished look and gives us a starting point for the rest of the work. Then, I'm using a handheld trimmer to cut the grass close to the road and along the edges of the property. After trimming the grass, it's time to clear away any leftover cuttings and debris. I'm using a blower to sweep away the grass cuttings, leaving the walkway and surrounding areas looking nice and clean. Next up is the drainage ditch, which has become blocked with fallen leaves, branches, and mud from heavy rains. With a shovel, I'm carefully clearing out all the debris and putting everything back where it belongs. Now, whenever it rains, this ditch will channel water properly and prevent flooding onto the road. We're starting with the path in front of the warehouse, which is pretty overgrown. I'll be using some trimming tools to clear it out and get it looking clean and accessible again. Once we've got this path cleared, I'll move on to the rear entrance path and give that area the same attention. With both paths cleared, the property will start looking a lot more welcoming and tidy. Now we're on to the main event, using the ride-on mower. This is perfect for tackling large areas of overgrown grass, and it makes the job fast and efficient. Just one pass up and down, and all the grass is trimmed to the same clean height. It's super satisfying to watch as this mower quickly transforms the space. And there we have it. The pathways are now fully cleared, making the whole property feel more open and accessible. The front lawn here is big. With so much open space, I could easily imagine setting up a swing set or slide. It would be the perfect little playground for kids to enjoy. And then there's the backyard, which is just as spacious. Once it's cleaned up, I bet the neighbors would love to come over for an outdoor barbecue. Just thinking about it is making me hungry. Now that we've mowed all the large sections of the lawn, it's time to switch back to the handheld trimmer to tidy up around the edges of the house and under the trees. These areas need a bit more precision to look just right. As I keep going, the sun starts coming out, giving everything a bright, fresh look and adding some extra motivation. For the final step, I'll use the blower to clear away all the cut grass along the pathways, leaving everything looking clean and neat. Let's take a look at the before and after shots to see the difference this cleanup has made. You can see how much brighter and more inviting the space looks now. And that's a wrap for this lawn care video. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more satisfying cleanups and yard transformations. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time. Meow.